What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nothing to Do Crew. My name's Nick, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build this adorable 8-bit Baby Yoda. Let's go!
Seriously?
So to start off, you're going to want to print out the design. And also, here's all the colors that I used. And you can also download our free ebook, which takes you through each step in more detail. So to start off, you're going to pour out your 1/2-inch blocks and separate them by color. Or if you have a lightsaber, you can use that as well. Then it's time for paint. Sometimes I like to use the Force to help speed things up. And I know you guys all laughed at that cheesy animation.
Oh no!
So I'm gonna show it to you guys again so you can appreciate it.
This time you have gone too far.
And once your blocks are all dry, it's time to start gluing them together. FYI, this step is long and tedious, so grab a beer, turn some music on, and power through it. When all the pieces are glued together, double check to make sure everything is lined up correctly. And once everything looks good, you can start gluing your rows together. And now you can flip it over and apply some glue to the back to give it some strength. Now usually I would hit it with some clear coat and call it a day, but this time I decided to be bold and finish it with epoxy. Epoxy can be a real pain in the butt, but as you can see, it really does take it to the next level, so I think it's worth the extra effort. And before you epoxy, cover the bottom of your piece with clear packaging tape first. Then mix up your epoxy, put it on, and start spreading it out. If it's your first time using epoxy, the ebook has more details about it, so make sure you check it out. And then you hit it with a torch to remove any air bubbles.
Fire!
And once the epoxy is fully cured, you can start removing the packaging tape from the bottom. And lastly, it's time to add the wall hanger and put it up on the wall. So there you have it, Baby Yoda flying around in a space pod. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.